This time around, I participated in Ludum Dare 55. I decided to use Godot since I've been making all my main projects in Unity. At 9 PM on a Friday, the theme was revealed to be summoning. I didn't have any ideas at first, so I started by choosing an art style, which I normally don't do. At this point, I decided it'd be pretty fun to try to make an RPG. I used this nifty program called Tilesetter to generate an auto tile set. I started building an immersive dialogue system, which was actually really easy using Godot's built-in BB code text. You just had to add a tag like this and it would automatically show up. I still hate Godot's UI, but this is a plus at least. All of this is useless unless there's an interesting story to display, so I got to work on a system to parse some JSON. It ended up being pretty clunky, but it worked for my small-scale use case. I also started using Visual Studio Code on the other monitor for an extra coding editor. I recommend this for sure, and it's very easy to set up. Most of day 2 was used to complete the story, but I don't want to spoil it, so I added sound effects, a game ending, and I fixed a bunch of bugs. But as usual, Godot threw some curveballs my way. I spent a mind-numbing amount of time fixing some game-breaking, what I'm calling ghost bugs, which I always seem to encounter when using Godot. For example, this dialogue trigger would never detect a collision for seemingly no reason. Despite this frustration, I submitted my game on time. I forgot to mention that throughout this process I used this Google Doc to keep me on track, which I definitely recommend. Now let's talk about the results. My game performed pretty well, considering it was my first attempt at an RPG. It's amazing how much more productive I am under pressure. It feels like I can hardly add a single feature to my main game in a whole day. By the way, I'll be making a video about that soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, give it a dislike. Also, thanks for the support on the last video. That was pretty awesome. I'll see you all next time.